Tomarket is listing in 13 days. So here is the full process to also withdraw your Tomarket airdrop tokens into cash. Do you even know how much your Tomarket airdrop tokens is worth? That's why I've researched into the step-by-step process of how to also withdraw your Tomarket airdrop tokens. This is how to check whether you are eligible to also withdraw your Tomarket tokens into cash or not. So first, in the app, what you want to do is to also simply click on the airdrop right here. After you click on it, you see that the first thing that you need is to also add the emoji of Tomarket app in your profile, and let me show you how to also do that. So here in the Tomarket, it was in the task. So when you click on the task right here and scroll through, you would have seen this right here. You can see this, but right now I don't know where it is. So when I click on bonus right here, and you can see all of these tags right here, but I can't find the add the tomato emoji to your profile. So I can't find it right here right now, but if you add it to your profile, it will look something like this, and that is the first step to also get into the airdrop. So the second step right here is to also reach a minimum of bronze or level 4 in the Tomarket app. Now when I come back into the app right here, click on the home, you can see when I click up here right here, you can see that I'm on bronze 1, which is level 4. So this makes me to also qualify. If you want to level up, you have to use stars in the Tomarket app to also level up. So when I click on the level up down here, you see that I'll be able to also level up, and the level up requirement is this stars right here. So it requires 15 stars. You can see I just successfully leveled up right here because I had more star story. So you can also share this to your story on Telegram. Now I'm on bronze 2, so let me show you how to get the star. You can see get more, which is also down here. So let me move this here. You can see get more. When you click on get more, you can see how you can also be able to get stars in the game. So you can see swap to market, and the first tomato, every 20k can be exchanged for 1 star. Draw blind boxes, so you can also draw blind boxes in the game. Farm tomato trees, tomato drop game, and also task catch 10x stars daily by using 0.1 ton. So these are the ways that you can also get some stars in the game. So the next one is to connect your wallet. So I've already connected my wallet. When I come to the airdrop section, I've already connected my wallet right here so that I can also use it. So when I click on my assets, you can see that my wallet is connected right here, and I actually made a video about this on my other channel, but I'm going to make a video again if you want to know how to also connect your wallet. So if you want to see that video, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that I'll bring that video, then you can watch it to also know how you can connect your wallet. Now this is actually a BitGet wallet that I also connected because that was the available one that I also connected to this one. The next one right here is an optional step that you can also use. So Tomarket premium medal, you can also buy it, and the next one is to join Tomarket announcement. So it's very simple. It's one of the first tags that they give you when you also get into the game. So when you come here, click on task right here. Mostly it's in the tags right here, so you can see subscribe to Tomarket Telegram. This is the Telegram that they want you to subscribe to. This is the announcement that you can also subscribe to so that you can also be part of the airdrop. So you can see these are the steps that you can also use to also withdraw from the Tomarket app when they also list it in 13 days. Now you can see right here, want to get more Toma, 100% token distribution, bonus multiplier on Toma location, 100% token when we list. You can also buy the premium right here. So you can also buy the premium so that you can also use the premium in order to also get more when also they list it. But I chose to also skip this step because I don't have time to also buy it. So when you click on the skip, this will bring you to a page like this. You can see congratulations, you are eligible to get Tomarket airdrop. So this means that you are eligible. Your level will be shown to you right here and you can also this will take you to a page like this, and you can see an additional Toma. You can click on start right here, and after you click on start, you can also stake your Toma tokens in order to also earn more. And there are lots of ways to also earn more. You can see you can buy premium, you can complete these stacks right here to also earn more Toma tokens before they will finally list in 13 days. These are some of the activities that you can also do to also earn more Toma in your wallet before they also list. One is by also doing the daily tax right here. So you can see the tax is the very simple one that you can also do. You can just click on start and it will show you how to do. This one will give you 10,000 tomatoes tokens right here when you use their link to also create a BitGet wallet. You can also do all these tax and the bonus tax as well. You can click on the farming pool and actually you can farm your tomato tokens right here. This is the new farming right here that you can also farm your tokens in order to get profit. You can also invite friends, keep on inviting people who haven't also already registered with the bot, so you can also keep on inviting them. And when you click on the airdrop, this will show you every detail about the airdrop and how it's going to also be. You can also play the game by clicking on this bomb icon right here, so you can see the stars that I was talking about. This was the star, so you can also get more of the Tomarket tokens, and as well as also get some of the stars to also unlock your level, to also level up if you haven't already leveled up to the level that you want. Now you can see this is my result from the game that I played. I earned this amount of stars right here, 0.09, and I earned this amount of tokens, and you can see the attempt that is left for me to also play the game. It's 15 right here, and you can also share your results. So these are some of the ways that you can also earn more Tomarket tokens for yourself before they also list. So let me show you how much your Tomarket tokens are worth. So right here on the BitGet page of Tomarket, you can see this right here. Tomarket price is 0.00027 up here, but when you see the note down here, Tomarket points are pre-market trading credentials tokens issued right here, but based on total supply. So it means that the price can change at any moment that they also list the token. And if you want to know how much you also earn, what you want to do is to multiply the total tokens that you have by this price up here. This is the pre-market price. As I told you, when they also line the tokens, mostly the price go high than this. So let me show you how to do the calculation. 0.00027 times, let's say you got 2,000 tokens, so it means you are getting 0.54 USDT in your wallet, and that is not much. That's why you have to accumulate more Tomarket tokens. So make sure you also go on and accumulate more Tomarket tokens. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can also get more updates like this. I'm Emmanuel, and I'll see you in the next video.